Hello, curious minds. Have you ever wondered why plants need roots? You might have seen them underground, but they are so much more than just what anchors the plant to the soil. Imagine a plant without roots, it would just topple over and lack the necessary nutrients to grow. Well, roots are like the lifeline of plants, enabling them to absorb water and minerals from the soil. These nutrients are essential for the plant's survival and growth. Roots are the unsung heroes of the plant world, supporting all the plant's biological functions. In this video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of roots, their structure, and their vital role in the life of a plant. Now, let's explore the different types of root systems. Picture a mustard plant or even a carrot. These plants have what we call a tap root system. The primary root grows thick and deep into the soil, with smaller, secondary roots branching off it. This type of root system is excellent for plants that need to access deep water sources. But if we look at plants like wheat or grass, we see the fibrous root system. Here, the primary root isn't as dominant, and many smaller roots grow from the base of the stem. These roots spread out, making them great for plants that need to cover large areas quickly. Then we have adventitious roots, like those seen in plants such as grass or even a banyan tree. These roots grow from parts of the plant other than the radicle and help anchor the plant to the soil, ensuring it stays upright. Take a look at the structure of a root. At the very tip of the root, we have a protective root cap, which shields the delicate growing parts as the root pushes through the soil. It's like a tiny helmet for the root. A few millimeters above the root cap, we find the meristematic region. This is where the magic happens. Here, cells are dividing rapidly, ensuring that the root continues to grow downwards, penetrating the soil. Once the cells move up a little, they enter the elongation zone. It's here that they grow longer and make space for the root to travel deeper into the earth. Finally, we have the maturation zone, where cells start to specialize into the structures that will do the important work, like root hairs that absorb water and minerals. Have you ever noticed tiny, thread-like structures emerging from the root? These are root hairs, small, yet incredibly important. Root hairs increase the surface area of the root, allowing the plant to absorb more water and nutrients from the soil. These root hairs grow in the maturation zone and extend deep into the soil, like tiny fingers reaching out to collect what the plant needs. It's almost like the plant is feeling the soil for water, minerals, and nutrients. Roots are much more than just anchors, they are crucial for nutrition. The roots absorb water and essential minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which are necessary for plant growth and energy production. Through the process of osmosis, water moves into the roots, and along with it, these vital nutrients travel up the stem to the leaves where they're used in photosynthesis. This nutrient and water movement is vital for the plant to stay healthy and grow strong. Roots didn't just evolve overnight. Think about it, plants originally lived in water, but as they adapted to life on land, they needed a way to stay anchored and access nutrients from the soil. That's when roots became essential. Roots have evolved in different ways depending on the plant's environment. For example, mangrove trees grow specialized roots that help them breathe in waterlogged areas, while desert plants develop deep tap roots to reach underground water sources. These adaptations have allowed plants to survive and thrive in various habitats all around the world. Now that we've explored the fascinating world of roots, we can truly appreciate how they function, not just as anchors, but as vital organs responsible for a plant's growth, nutrition, and survival. Roots come in various forms, each adapted to the plant's needs and environment. From the tap root system in deep soils to fibrous roots that spread out wide, roots are essential in ensuring plants thrive. And let's not forget, Roots also stabilize the soil, preventing erosion and contributing to ecosystem health. Isn't it amazing how a simple structure like a root is so critical for plant survival and ecological balance? Next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate the roots beneath the soil that are working tirelessly to support life above ground.